Hi class, and welcome to Math Minutes video number 8. We're going to be looking at how to multiply numbers with decimals. Go ahead and get your notebooks out and turn to page 9. When multiplying, multiply the digits like you normally would. After the last step, place your decimal by counting the number of decimal places in each number and placing your decimal the total number of spaces starting from the right side. Let's do 0.31 and we want to multiply that by 0.7. Well, we simply multiply like we usually do. So 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Well, now, where do we place the decimal? Well, if you notice, like for adding and subtracting, the decimals have to line up, but when we're multiplying, they don't. So let's just count then the total number of spaces, the total number of decimal place values that we had. Here's 1, 2, 3. So starting from the right side, 1, 2, 3, our answer is 0.217. That's a very different number. If I incorrectly place the decimal between the 2 and the 1, 2.17 is a very different value, as is 21.7. So very important that we start counting from the right. Let's try another one. Let's say we have 22.3 times 0.42. Okay, well, let's multiply like we usually do. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm ignoring the decimals. I have to do my second row here, so I place my 0. 4 times 3 is 12. I carry that 1. 4 times 2 is 8. I add what I carried, makes 9. 4 times 2 is 8. What do I do after this? Normal again, not even looking at the decimals yet. I'm going to add this together. 6 and 0, 4 and 2, 9 and 4, 8 and 1. All right, now I'm at the end of my problem, and now is when I get to look at where does my decimal go. Well, how many places do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 again. So starting from the right, 1, 2, 3, and my answer is 9.366. Let's do another one. How about 1420.6, and let's make it times 0.232. All right. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 0 plus 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. Next, 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 0 is 0 plus the 1 gives me 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 gives me 4. And my next place value, 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 1 is 2. Not paying attention to any decimals yet. 2, 1 and 8 is 9. 4, 5 and 2 is 7. 8 and 6 is 14 plus 1 is 15. 4 and 2 is 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 and 4 is 12, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Now I'm ready for my decimal. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting from my right, 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is 329.5792. So there are some examples for you to refer to when you're doing your homework in your Math Excel assignments. I'll look forward to seeing you in next class. Be sure to bring your completed notebooks.